Can I get Crunchyroll on LG TV? Yes, you can get Crunchyroll on an LG TV, but native app availability depends on the TV's operating system and model. Crunchyroll, a popular streaming service for anime, manga, and Asian dramas, is not directly available on LG's WebOS as a standalone app. However, you can still watch Crunchyroll on an LG TV using alternative methods such as casting, AirPlay, web browsing, or streaming devices. 1. How to watch Crunchyroll on LG TV without the app. Since LG smart TVs do not have a native Crunchyroll app on WebOS, you can watch it using these alternative methods. Method 1. Using the web browser without downloading an app. Press the home button on your LG remote. Open the LG web browser from the menu. In the search bar, go to www.crunchyroll.com. Sign in to your Crunchyroll account and start streaming. If the browser has issues, clear cache or try a different browser. Method 2. Chromecast, for Android and iOS users. Ensure your LG TV has built-in Chromecast or connect a Chromecast device to HDMI. Download the Crunchyroll app on your smartphone or tablet. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Crunchyroll app, tap the cast icon, and select your LG TV. Start streaming anime directly on your TV. Method 3. AirPlay, for Apple users on compatible LG TVs. If your LG TV supports AirPlay, enable it in Settings then, AirPlay, and HomeKit. On your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, open the Crunchyroll app or website. Tap the AirPlay icon and select your LG TV. The Crunchyroll content will appear on your LG TV. Method 4. Using an external streaming device. If your LG TV does not support Crunchyroll natively, you can use Apple TV. Install the Crunchyroll app from the App Store. Google Chromecast, cast Crunchyroll from your phone to your LG TV. Amazon Fire Stick, install Crunchyroll from the Amazon App Store. Roku device, add the Crunchyroll app and stream directly. Gaming consoles, PlayStation or Xbox. Download the Crunchyroll app and watch anime on your LG TV. Method 5. HDMI connection using a laptop or smartphone. Connect your laptop or phone to the TV using an HDMI cable and adapter if needed. Open Crunchyroll in a web browser or on the mobile app. Play your favorite anime and it will display on the TV screen. 2. Troubleshooting Crunchyroll streaming on LG TV. If Crunchyroll isn't working properly, try these fixes. Update your LG TV software. Go to Settings then, All Settings then, General then, About this TV, then Software Update, and install updates. Check your internet connection. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection to prevent buffering. Restart your TV and router. If streaming is slow, restart both devices. Use a different streaming method. If the web browser lags, try casting or using a streaming device. While Crunchyroll is not natively available on LG smart TVs, you can still stream it through the web browser, casting, AirPlay, an external streaming device, or an HDMI connection for a seamless anime watching experience.